You've worked hard to secure your network. You have Comply to Connect point products that show you what's happening, mitigate unwanted intrusions, and give you data to monitor. You can quarantine non-compliant devices and deny access to unauthorized users. All set, right? Not exactly. Sure, you're monitoring the data and controlling certain access points, but quick fixes and bolt-on security don't address your blind spots. Do you even know you have blind spots? Newsflash, compliance does not equal security. There are things lurking on your network that you simply can't see with your current sensor configuration. It's time you know about everything on your network. That's why continuous monitoring is essential. A cyber baseline evaluation from 3Wire Systems will illuminate and map your current cyber landscape. What sensors do you have? What information do they provide? How do they share information? Which pieces are missing? What are you protecting and why? We help you thoroughly understand your network, blind spots and all. We then partner with you to develop a continuous monitoring solution that combines the power of your C2C tooling with governance and strategy. The results? Real-time insights, policy that makes sense, informed decisions, security that actually works. Mitigate risk, secure your enterprise, and produce better outcomes. Contact us today to schedule your cyber baseline evaluation.